Greetings everyone. So today we're going to try and figure out what the difference is between this Husky 6-in-1 screwdriver and this Husky 6-in-1 screwdriver. Aside from the price, because this one is only $4.97, but this one is $6.97. I was in my local Home Depot the other day and noticed this and kind of was curious. What is the difference? So after taking them out of the packaging, we can notice that the packaging itself is certainly different. The $4.97 one just has a bit of shrink wrap that went over the tip of it, whereas the $6.97 one has a full package with information on it and kind of fancier presentation. The screwdrivers themselves are both made in Taiwan, you can see. However, the $4.97 model does have a number on it, whereas the $6.97 model does not. As for the actual construction, as we take them apart, you can see that those pieces certainly look the same. As do these. Differing amounts of tooling oil, but that's just manufacture, I'd suppose. The stamp is a little bit clearer on this and not quite as distinct on this one. One out. And that one out. Again, the stamp is a bit clearer on the $6.97 as opposed to the $4.97 model. The weight is about the same of the main shaft, and it's fairly identical, except there seems to be a little bit of a smoother finish on the inside. You see this on camera. Hard looking down. Oh. Kind of see it. There we go. So it's got a silvery finish, whereas this is just a bit darker. So I'm wondering if perhaps they're just running these all in the same factory, and the ones that didn't quite come out as perfect, they're going and marking down by $2, and then the ones that came out to the highest standards they're selling for the higher price. And then, of course, there's the packaging price as well. But ultimately, when you're buying a screwdriver, does it really matter? Really, as long as the tips are nice and both of them, it's just about machined the same. So, unless perhaps the lifetime warranty is of concern, I don't know if this one comes with a lifetime warranty. I'd just say spend the lower price. So, I think that's all we have to say here, and thanks for watching.